Don't throw away that coconut shell. You're about to make something powerful with it. In this video, I will show you how to make charcoal from coconut shell. But before I dive into it, smash that subscribe button if you want to learn more natural ways to look and feel better. The first step is to wash your coconut shell, then crack it open, remove the flesh. Then you place your coconut shell on medium to low heat. In this video, I'm using my stovetop to make this powerful charcoal. Here's why you should make your own charcoal at home. Number 1, it detoxifies the body and it binds to toxins. Number 2, charcoal binds to gas in the digestive system, helping to relieve gas and bloating. Number 3, charcoal absorbs odor and bacteria in the mouth, leaving the breath smelling fresher. Number 4, charcoal is excellent for those experiencing gastroenteritis, vomiting, and diarrhea. And number 5, it is a natural teeth whitener. After your coconut shell is black, you can remove it from the fire. You have the option to let it cool, then you place it in a mortar and then you grind properly. Then you can start using your charcoal. You can use 1 tablespoon of charcoal in 1 cup of room temperature water. You can drink a cup a day, or you can drink 2 cups a day to gain all these benefits. If you have enjoyed this video, share it with a friend, and remember, follow me and subscribe.